Hello YouTube friends, thought I'd do a quick lunchtime unboxing of a few things that were kind of stragglers with my last order. And so the first thing I have here is, this was a gift with purchase. You spent, I think it was $150 at the outlet a few weeks ago, and you would get your choice of a jewelry box or a men's card case. And I picked the card case because I don't need a jewelry box. So here's the information. It is the card wallet in Plaid Navy Multi. And I don't see these on the site anymore, so I guess when they were done with them, they really pulled them off. But let's see. We all know I need another wallet, right? My husband definitely doesn't. He's got a few backups already that he's going to use. Oh, this is cool looking. I like this. It's kind of a little stylized plaid, and this is just, I think it's just coated canvas with leather inside. Oh, that's nice. We've got two card pockets here, and then it says Coach New York at the bottom, and then two more here on this side. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 more. Then you've got a little spot that's fabric lined for more cards. And on this side, you've got two. This would be like for your ID and your, probably your debit card. And it's got the little magnet in there that I don't want. And the little care package. That's nice. I don't know what the original price on this one was because it was a gift with purchase. I think they had listed it at something high, but I didn't screenshot it. I thought I'd be able to find it again, and I cannot. Oh, and then there's an outside pocket too. It's lined in fabric. That's cute. Nice and slim. Good profile if you want something that just, you know, isn't going to be hard to carry in your smaller bags. I like that. It's a little bit of a billfold type. Can you put cash in it at the top? No, it doesn't open at the top or anything. So it's mainly just for cards. So that's a nice little treat. And then the next thing I got is not a bag. It is loafers. And I really love this style of loafer. I looked at some Sam Edelman's that were the same, but they were a lot more money. This is the Haley leather loafer in black. And there's the item number. It's kind of a little bit scanny looking. But let's see these. These had a rubber band around them. I took it off, but I haven't opened them up yet. Here's the Haley leather loafer. And these look like just some good plastic loafers. Oh, cute. Oh, these are nice. These look tiny. Huh? 7.5. I always have a problem with Coach shoes being too short. They seem to run like a half size small. But aren't those nice with the little horse bit? Those are cute. Oh, they're so soft too. These are really nice. So hopefully these will fit. Let's see. Pull all this stuffing out. So they're all, looks like leather lined. Very nice. It says Coach on the inside. And then the bottom, it just has a really short flat heel. Very, just basic. Let me try these on and I'll come right back. Okay guys, don't laugh. I have my jeans rolled up just to make these work, but they are so comfortable. They're really nice. I like them. I would say that they're almost a little bit loose, and I probably wear them with some socks anyhow, so they should be perfect. But these don't seem to run small at all. So they seem to be just the right size. And the leather is nice and soft without being too thin. See how soft they are? Oh, these are great. I really like these. So this part up here is a little bit more firm. Back here it's nice and soft. Oh, these are great. I'm going to use these a lot. And I believe I got these for $99. And I'm not sure if it shows the original price on here. Let's see. Looks like the original price is $150. So there's the information. The Haley leather loafer in black leather. And these are great. I think I'm going to get lots of use out of them. I'm glad I went up a half size just in case I want to wear socks. But I'd have to say with these, you don't need to. I think they're pretty darn true to size. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It was fast, just an unboxing. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.